Hey guys, let's see how we can create a quotation for your business in a few minutes. Moving on to the sales module first, from here itself you can see the quotation dashboard. Clicking on the new button to create a new quotation, you need to fill this form. So let me specify with the customer first. I'm going to provide it as ABC Traders. Once you provide the correct address, there you can see Odoo is defaultly providing you the invoice address and the delivery address. Now you can see this is the expiration date, like validity of a particular order. So there you can see, and here it is a price list, which means you guys are giving any kind of seasonal offers, or if any kind of loyal customers are there, you can simply create them and you can use this inside any quotation. And there you can see this is the payment terms, like there you guys are providing a payment term for your customer, how you need to get the payment in a specific period of time. So there you can see immediate payment, 50 days, 21 days, 30, 45, something like that. If you guys are just leaving this as empty, Odoo is assuming that we need to get an immediate payment from the customer. And moving on to the order lines, there you can see the product, and I want to add the product which is stable by clicking on that option. Here you can see we need to specify with the quantity, how much quantity we need to sell to the customer. Let me provide it as 5. Now you can see this is the unit of measures, and this is the unit price of one of the product, which is $500. You can simply provide any kind of sales tax, and there we have the total amount once and just clicking on here. There we have $2,500. If you want to delete, you can simply click on the delete icon as well. And now you can see this is the untaxed amount, this is the tax amount, this is all included amount. And once we are done with that, you are actually created a new quotation. You can either send this quotation to your customer, and you can also confirm this into a sale order, or you can print them or preview. So let me show you how to preview this. After clicking on save manually, let's preview. And this is how your quotation looks like when we are sending this to your customer. So that's it. Bye-bye.